How to find the SIM card ICCID number on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down, then tap on connections, and then go down and tap on SIM manager. Next, go down and tap on your SIM card, and down here you'll be able to find the ICCID of your SIM number. Now for a physical SIM, you will not be able to find it, so instead you need to remove your SIM card, and on the back of the SIM card normally you'll be able to find or locate your ICCID number. So here on the back of your SIM card you should be able to find it. So simply zoom in on the number here and you'll be able to find Tao's number. And in some cases you can also find it from settings. So go into settings, then we go down and tap on about phone. In here, if you go down and tap on status information, then tap on SIM card status, sometimes you'll be able to find it in here as well. Now depending on which network you're with and depending on your country or the region that you live in, the ICCID number may or may not be available in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.